Solar energy is a energy obtained by capturing heat and light from the sun. Energy from sun is reflected to as a solar energy. Technology has provided number of ways to utilize this huge resource. This is considered as a green technology because it does not emit greenhouse gases. Solar energy is a largely available and it has been utilized since long both as electricity and a source of heat. The method of heat obtaining electricity from the sun is referred to as a photovoltaic. This is achieved using semiconductor material. We EPDC Project Private Limited are the consultant for the Indian non-conventional energy has been in the field of energy consultancy for almost 8 years. Over the years, EPDC has been credited with the setting benchmark of excellent customer service. Today, by combining cutting-edge technology and science, we are able to supply the best customer service and those too at the most reasonable rates. A leading energy consultancy company, a sister concern of providing a wide range of service to Indian energy markets. Our main objective is to understand client needs, elaborate specific execution plan, identify objectives, milestones, critical paths and issues, resources, etc. To enable the delivery of actionable recommendation to successfully manage natural, physical, economic and community resources in a sustainable way. We aim to build positive and trusting relationships with our clients and offer them the best energy consultancy services possible. We aim to build positive and trusting relationships with our clients and to offer them the best energy consultancy service possible. We offer high standard of customer service and take pride in everything we do. Since from 2014 we started solar projects. Our core area of expertise are hydro, wind and solar. In the stage of project installation, we will prepare detailed project report. In this DPR include all details about the project. Primary stage of DPR, we conduct land survey and prepare feasibility report. On the basis of this report, we will conduct contour survey and prepare technical design. After the all documentation of projects and estimated financial reports, finally we will submit the DPR to government according to the rules and guidelines issued by them. Earlier we are in PMC, now we are also undertake EPC in time of installation. And financially also we took step towards. We undertake projects related to all renewable energy concept. In rooftop system, sun rays will fall on solar panels where the sunlight will be converted as DC voltage. This DC voltage will be connected to inverter through junction boxes and DC power cables. Inverter will convert the DC power to AC power. This AC power will connect to houses for self-utilization and unsaved power units will be connected to grid through powerhouse and power poles. This generated units and transmitted power will be maintained by net metering. This solar rooftop system will be in lower scale power projects, that is 2 kW to 1 megawatt scale, and it will be used for houses and other government buildings. In ground mounting system, working function will be same as in rooftop only. But this system will be produced large scale power generating system, that is from 1 megawatt and above. This ground mounting solar system required minimum 5 acres of land for 1 megawatt solar power plant. Ground mounting system may be work as solar park, that is cluster of small solar power plants. In ground mounting system, customer has to make connectivity roads, internal plant roads, inverter rooms, powerhouses, transformers, SCADA rooms, transmission lines, lightning poles and security room. Solar rooftop systems are low cost systems, but ground mounting or solar parks are high cost systems. Due to this ground mounting solar system, you can generate more power and India will become more independent in power energy sector.